Okay, so this video is for BB Jonas. He asked, if I don't have nose pads, how do I adjust my frame to keep those red marks from being on there? You can see this is a keyhole bridge frame and it doesn't have nose pads. So what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna tighten the temple. You can do this by heating it up with a hair dryer, or obviously if you have a frame warmer, you can use that, or you can use the heat from your hands. But you're gonna support the front of the frame with your left hand, and then you're gonna move that temple in towards the head, Now you wanna give it enough pressure so it moves, but not too much pressure where it breaks. And this can depend on your frame's age and the durability of it, but you're just giving it a little bit of tension that's gonna add a little bit of pressure back here on your head. You're gonna do the same thing on each side evenly. And then this is gonna take some of the pressure off of the bridge of your nose. What you're trying to do is balance the pressure from the bridge and on the sides of the temple. And this is gonna help relieve some of those red marks and create a little bit more tension on the backside so that you don't have to have those red marks. The other adjustment you can do, you can actually turn these down a little bit, and that goes behind the ear. But I have found that I always try to go in towards the head first, and this seems to hold the frame better without the pressure behind the ears. But this will help resolve those red marks on your bridge if you don't have nose pads. Let me know what other questions you have. Once again, this is for BB Jonas. Thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you have a good day.